Ramakrishna. Hello, myself, Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically I will be discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. How basically the cities are created. So in this basically we reached to one story basically. This is actually real story basically, and lots of people says that basically whatever things happens in the Gujarat, these Shanti groups are connected in this basically. And Shanti groups are, lots of people says that created by this person basically, that is Hitler, and Hitler is basically connected with the German basically, and lots of people says that if he is basically Gujarati, then who actually created him basically? Because all the royal family, all the king family, they are connected with the universe basically. That means one of the person told that basically, yeah, royal family are connected with the universe. That means they basically might be having this information. Which information basically? That I will let you know basically. Just a minute. Which information I am talking about? Just a minute. This information basically. One of the person told that this information. For example, one of the king's family. For example, Shahajirao Gaikwad. I will take Gaikwad. Shahajirao Gaikwad, where basically I am staying basically. The king's family basically might have a little bit space in universe, and there basically they might have allocated each and every people death time also basically. Then he told that from there basically the death basically might be coming. Then he told that yes basically, it might possible basically. It might possible basically that death basically might be coming from there, that area basically. So one of the person asked there basically, which set of words basically they are going to set for you basically. For example, you are staying in Vadodara city, so which word basically, which words combination basically they are going to set for your death basically. Then basically one of the person told that need to check basically, basically with the Gaikwad family basically, because you are staying in say Vadodara city, then basically they basically might have set your set of words basically. Then they told that basically that might possible that basically set of words equal to human needs basically equal to set of combination, this that basically when the combination gets merged and the perfect time basically will come, that time basically you will die, and that basically somebody has given us a time aega, wait karo, like this basically somebody has told. Then yes, here basically you are correct. So like this basically Sayajira Gaikwad, about this Gaikwad family, like this one of the person told that basically how many family basically are connected with the universe. Then one of the person told that most of the royal family, they are connected with the universe group basically. Almost all royal family basically. Almost all the royal family basically. Then one of the person told that is a Hitler, Hitler person basically. Yeah. This Hitler, he is basically born in 1990, 18 कहाँ पैदा हुआ था? 18 क्या है? What is the name? 1889 basically. 1889 means if one of the person is telling basically that 2023 is ongoing, 1889 basically, that means 134 years before basically he has done. So currently he might be 18 na basically. Just a minute, basically 2023 minus 1889, 134 years. Then he told that might be possible. That means he is basically currently 134 years. Then he told that might be possible. So he has created the Gujarati. He actually created the Amin caste. He created the Patel caste. He created the Shah caste. Then he told that basically that need to check basically. मतलब check करना पड़ेगा. Then one of the person told that who actually created him basically, because he was died long before basically 1945 only he died. Then one of the person told that basically he died in where basically, where he died basically, in bunker basically, some bunker with the family basically. Then basically he basically died. Then basically it might possible that somebody may have given him birth basically, that you come here in this city basically, we will give, sorry basically he might have died, and then basically his body basically might be taken and his body basically might have cloned basically. That type of thing also basically might be possible, but 100% basically we can't say basically that this type of thing basically might have happened. Then he told that yes basically it might be possible. So just see basically how many earthquake basically come. Few people say that this website basically which is giving the earthquake information, few things basically are fake. See, basically few things basically are fake basically. Really basically this whole earthquake basically came, that also one of the person basically, so one of the person told them where basically it is created here, where this website basically is created. This is in basically France basically. In France basically this website is created. So France people basically sometimes give the fake information also. Then one of the France president, France group basically activated and told them basically, who is telling that basically? Tell me his name basically. Tell me his name. This was actually Tamil language word basically. Tell me his name. So one of the person told that France group basically are from Tamil group. Then he told that not they are basically, how you can say that? Because one of the person told that basically world basically is created from two language. One is Tamil language and one is Sanskrit language. And this France group basically are connected with one of the Asian country. That is 100% sure which country, that basically need to check. Reason is on world of last day basically this all basically is going to activate. That is this basically. One of the person told that basically on last day of world basically, which will be this words basically which will be connecting to the 900 crore people basically. Which is that word? You have that word basically. That basically word only satellite groups basically have. Na? But few people says that basically we are powerful than satellite group. That are which group basically? That are this group na basically. That are this group basically. See basically this group basically. Just a minute. This group basically. This group was telling that we are powerful than the satellite basically. Because this group says that basically we know that basically these all words basically are going to pass from the satellite, and then basically we will not die basically, हम नहीं मरेंगे. For that basically they will say that basically we have created our own death words and own birth words basically. Then he told that, are you sure basically? Yes, yeah basically. That means you want to say that basically some Hitler family has created this Brahma Kumari. Then one other person told that might be possible, but it might not be possible also. Basically. It might be possible basically, but 100% we can't say basically. Then he told that might be possible and might not be possible. Then basically the story again basically connected to back to this basically. This group, this group, this group. Because this group basically are number one group basically in India basically who say that basically we are giving the computer service, that is the software service. And few people say that these groups are connected with these groups. And this group basically are connected with this group, and this group basically say that basically we have created, sorry, this group basically say that we have created the Gujarati caste. Then one of the person basically asked the question basically, is the death word basically are connected like this basically? Then he told that then basically one of the person told here basically, then one of the person told that basically one of the Sri Ram family basically, yes basically Sri Ram family, that is Ayodhya family, they are basically going to get the inauguration of the temple basically just within on basically 22nd January 2023. So can we ask them basically, is this chain basically they might be knowing basically that because they are connected with Sri Krishna family, they are connected with Hanuman family, so they might be knowing them basically that this caste, that caste, this caste, that caste, this caste, Gujarati caste,